My little scientists, you're back. Hi, Dr. Quarantine here. I'm so glad you're here. I was just about to do another experiment. Do you want to help me? Okay, great. All right, so today we're gonna make lava lamps. What? I know. Do you remember back on Earth Day when we made these ocean in a bottle? Yeah, these are super fun, right? We learned that oil and water are insoluble. That means they don't mix. Well, today, when we make a lava lamp, I wore this shirt because I was feeling groovy, they also don't mix again. And this time, we're gonna add Alka-Seltzer, these fizzy little tabs that sometimes adults use when they have a bellyache. Remember, we don't ever take any medicine without the help of an adult, okay? So we're gonna need the help of an adult for this experiment. Here's what you need. We already talked about the fun fizzy tabs that we're gonna use on this experiment. You also need food coloring. You need oil. I'm using vegetable oil for this one. And you need water. And then you need like a glass container. I'm gonna use this little glass jar. I also found, my funnel that I didn't have last time. Just so I don't make a mess. Okay, go get your materials and come right back. We'll see you soon. Okay, did you get all your stuff? I learned my lesson with the bubble snakes and the food coloring. So I am gonna put on some gloves this time. So my mom and dad don't get mad at me for getting my hands all dirty. Okay, are you ready? Here we go, okay. We're gonna add the water first. I wanna fill it 1/4 of the way. Look, I found my beaker and it's in increments of 10. Do you wanna skip count with me by 10s? Let's do that together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! Great job. Okay, here we go. 1/4 of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I only want to go to that first fourth. Stop. Okay. Well, I guess I didn't need all my water. Perfect. Okay. Next, we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with, doesn't smell like broccoli, but it says it's made of vegetables. What's yours smell like? Okay, let's fill it up. Glug, 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 glug. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Stop! Okay. Ooh, look at, they're separating. They don't like each other. Oh, they should be nicer, huh? Be nice. Okay. All right, here we go. Now, pick your favorite color food coloring. Guess what I picked? Pink. It's either pink or purple, usually. Okay, here we go. How many drops should we use? I'm gonna say, let's see how 4 does. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we wanted to drop. Oh, are they dropping? Oh, there they go. There was the first 3. 1, 2. Oh, that was a lot. 3, 4. Oh, there they go. Oh, jump in the pool. The water's warm. There they go. Oh, a couple more for good measure. If 3's good, 12's better. Okay, here we go. I think that's enough. Put on the cap real tight. Clean hands. Oh, just a little, but pretty much clean hands. You know what else I got? And you don't have to use this, but I love glitter. So I'm gonna use the silver glitter because everything's better with glitter. It's all floating on the top. I hope it goes down. I'm just gonna give it a little swirly twirly so it goes. Ooh. Okay, there it goes. All right, now for the piece de resistance, they say in France, which means like the big show, I think. I'll double check that. Okay, here we go. The big finale, the piece de resistance. I think that's it. You take your Alka-Seltzer. You take 2 of your Alka-Seltzer and you break them into pieces. There they are. I've got them in my hands. You can help, okay? You can help your parents do this part. Here they go. Drop. Ooh. It's all bubbly at the end. Okay, so this is where the science comes in. So they're insoluble, but when we add these, it creates fizzy bubbles. And the fizzy bubbles are gonna carry the color throughout the oil, and it's gonna be like a real lava lamp. In a real lava lamp, there's wax in the bottom, and let me get this outside. The heat from the lamp will heat up the bottom, and the wax will start to move up through the water in the lamp, and then it falls back down, and then it moves back up and around. But this is our at-home version. Okay, here we go. I'm dropping it all in. Oh, here it goes. Oh. Oh my goodness. Wow! Oh, can you hear that? I thought I would need my stethoscope, but I don't need that. Can you hear that? Whoa! Wow! The bubbles are moving so fast. Wow, look at that one. Look at our lava lamp. And you can save this at the end and put a cap on it and use it over and over. You can try dropping the pieces in one at a time. I went for it. I was like, boop, and dropped them all in. So mine's going super crazy. Can you see the little droplets moving around? I have a lot of glitter in mine because I like it to be a real party. There we go. Look at them rising and falling. How fun! It sounds like Rice Krispies cereal. Snap, crackle, pop. Hear that? So fun. Okay, so try this at home. Let me know how it goes. I hope you have a bubbly, sparkly day. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.